Lord. I want to quit.
What?
I want to quit.
I want to quit too, but I want to catch this fish.
Why?
Because he's made me mad now.
He's mad at the little fish because he's out there trying to get a supper.
Whoa.
You out there trying to get him out of the water and put him in the frying pan.
I don't want to put him in a frying pan. I just want to get him. Uh-oh, Luke.
What is it?
Look, it got stuck on my finger. Can you get it off?
No.
Pick it up.
You gonna let me just sit here and die? What is that?
I can't.
Why?
You already got it.
What does all this hurt? You're gonna just let me stay hurt?
No. What are you doing?
Right here. Sit still.
Oh, boy. You got it in the
Stay
water.
still.
Hey, you got it way down in the water.
I know. I can't put it back on there.
Why can't I put it in the water?
You're scared of fish.
I want scared of fish.
Or because they see it. They see this hole coming down the water at them.
And then I'll poke them. And then they bite us.
The fish will bite us?
And then the bite.
Look, there he goes again. Ready?
Well, no.
I am just a second. Look, quit it.
Why did he?
Because he ate the bait.
The bait.
Bait, not bait.
He ate the bait again.
Ate.
He's going to be a big fish
Luke,
by the time.
Luke, you're going to get more splinters. And I don't want to hear you crying when